Chapter 12, problem number 19. In this particular case, we have a net present value calculation, and you are given the cash flows and you're given the cost of capital. So you have an initial investment of $160,000, and cash flows are positive for the first 2 years of $54,000 and $66,000 respectively. Then in year 3, there is a outflow of $60,000, so be careful with that to make sure to use the plus minus button on your calculator if you're using the BA2 plus. And then you have positive cash flows of $57,120. So you can do it individually, but it's probably much more efficient to either use Excel or to use your BA2 plus calculator and enter it using the CF button. Now, if you didn't watch the video for problem 1214, I encourage you to do that because I went through an extensive explanation on how to use the CF button on your calculator. But if you want to use Excel, then watch the Excel assignment video and do the assignment, obviously, on that. So the biggest thing with this is you wind up with a positive number of $7,107. I will say it again because it is worth repeating that you earn 11% plus $7,107. You would not normally invest $160,000 to get back just over $7,000 over a 5-year period of time. That would be just not acceptable. You could do better, but it's not. You got $7,000 back. You got $7,000 in addition to your 11% return. So 11% return plus 7,107. And the 11% is important because that's your target. So this is where you would wind up with above your target, which is the reason why the project is considered to be acceptable or should be undertaken.